Hi, it's Nicole Santa Maria with Miami Handwriting. Wanted to pop in here so many times. I am called into a pre-K 4 class. And the question is, Nicole, how much writing should they do? Should they be doing all of their capitals? Should they be doing all of their lowercases? Different curriculums have, either you start with capitals, different curriculums start with all lowercase. Some curriculums, they introduce capitals and lowercase at the same time. My answer again is usually quite the same. For pre-K 4, even for kinder, even for first grade, but especially pre-K 4, whatever you're going to introduce to them, please make sure you give them multi-sensory instruction. What does that look like? It looks like a lot of stuff that's not on pencil and paper actually. It looks like air writing, where there's a demonstration, the children copy it and they write it in the air. The letter A, the letter M. It also looks like there's a lot of vocalization going along with it, a lot of talking along with it. We start our letter at the top, we dive down, swim up and over, and make sure you bump the bottom. So sometimes with the kids, I'm like, okay, make sure you're talking like a crazy person, that you're talking to yourself in your head. So we want that self-talk, especially when they're learning something new, we want that self-talk to be there to help them with letter formation. Remembering, just giving them a model and having them copy it is not enough. Giving them a workbook and having them copy it is not enough for most of the kids. As the teacher, you have so much more value and so much more to give than a workbook can ever replace. So multisensory, have them use self-talk. Have them use these large motor muscles, which usually looks like they can hold a wand, a lightsaber, or even just their finger and just do some large air writing. The last thing I'm going to suggest as an idea is have them do a lot of tracing, whether it's shapes or they've already moved on to letters, in like shaving cream on a table. You know, if you guys have easels, which I hope in a pre-K 4 class you have easels, because every OT, I love vertical surfaces, have some shaving cream on there, and have them copy shapes, letters, numbers, whatever you guys are working on. You can do a sandbox, a cookie tray with either salt or sand. You know, you can Google and Pinterest your heart away. Just know that a multi-sensory approach for a pre-K 4 class, that's like your golden ticket. That's your golden ticket. It's going to make your school year so much easier. The children are really going to absorb it. Absorb, not observe. They're going to observe it, but they're going to absorb it. And those are just some of the ideas you can incorporate into a pre-K 4 class. And really, you know that you can do so many things for them to learn letters that have nothing to do with a pencil and a paper. Okay, this is Nicole from Miami Handwriting. As always, I invite you guys to give me any feedback, miamihandwriting.com, on Facebook, Instagram, and I would love to hear from you, and I always do my best to incorporate whatever questions I get. I'll put it out in a video or include it in one of my emails. Okay, thanks so much. Have a great day.